Your debt to credit ratio, also known as your credit utilization ratio or debt to credit rate, generally represents the amount of revolving credit you're using divided by the total amount of credit available to you, or your credit limits. What's revolving credit? Revolving credit accounts include things like credit cards and other such lines of credit. They don't have a fixed payment each month, and you can reuse the credit as you pay your balance down. The general consensus is that a healthy debt to credit ratio is 30% of your credit limit or lower. Maxing out on your credit cards is considered to be the worst case scenario, taking a hit on your credit score and signaling a red flag to lenders. This is not to be confused with your debt to income ratio, which is the total amount you owe every month divided by the total amount of money you earn each month, also usually expressed as a percentage. Debt to income ratio does not influence your credit score. However, keep in mind that lenders consider both these factors when you apply for a loan.
Need to keep an eye on your credit score on a regular basis? Well, all you need to do is sign up at the MyMoneyKarma website. We provide free access to your credit score, your detailed credit report, and personalized advice on how your credit can be improved. Moreover, checking your credit score with MyMoneyKarma is a soft inquiry, meaning it does not have any impact on your credit score. You can get started right away by following the link below.